what we're doing?
We're cutting pumpkins. Gonna have some pumpkins to eat this afternoon.
And who are these people cutting these pumpkins?
That's my granddaughter and my granddaughter and my granddaughter's boyfriend and my grandson.
So I'll turn us around. Tell us. And MawMaw's over there. She's helping Kaitlyn.
Yeah. My daughter-in-law, MawMaw. They're MawMaw over there. She's cutting too.
Now tell us something that you used to do with pumpkins. I heard you saying something.
Well, when I was earlier, when my children were all little, 2 of them, that's all I got. My husband would get pumpkins, he would bring them in and he would split them open and he would cut them up and we would put them on and cook them and we would make pumpkin pies, pumpkin cake, and just all kind of goodies.
Now Aunt Vicky just said something about you cooked yours in a certain thing. I'd never heard of it.
You're supposed to cook them in the coffee can.
You cooked it.
Which you can't even buy a coffee can anymore, I don't think.
You would cook a pumpkin cake in a coffee can?
I would stew the pumpkins in the coffee can.
Okay. All right, well, I'm going to turn this camera around, let y'all see us carving some pumpkins with Grandma today.
Save the seeds. Yeah, save the seeds so you can plant some pumpkins.
I'm going to roast some pumpkin seeds in my air fryer.
Do you want us all to put them in the buckets and then go through the buckets? Is that what you're going to do? Okay.
Let's see, hold on.
We'll put the seeds in one and put the...
Kaitlyn, you doing it on your own?
She is.
I love that.
You're getting it, girl. You're getting it. She's going to, though. Yep, put it back on that side. See, that side's got
zoom in
bigger.
on Kaitlyn here.
There you go.
MawMaw's brave putting her hands.
I know Kaitlyn won't cut me. We Kaitlyn. No. You about there? One cut.
You got it, Kaitlyn.
Yeah.
Yes, so we have this.
Well, you're there, Kaitlyn. Well, hold on. Got one more place? Okay.
And then once you get all the main guts out, you can start scraping the walls.
All right. Hold on, look your top.
I hope all of y'all have had opportunity to carve pumpkins this season so far.
Let's
I
see
know,
where
they
we're
have
at.
some big seeds in them.
It's stuck right here. Stuck on that side.
There's Aunt Vicky.
I actually don't like the smell of pumpkins. Like the smell of them, I don't like them.
Let me come back around here.
There you go, Kaitlyn. Pull out your top.
All right. Anna's already gotten into her pumpkin.
All right. Now, where's your spoon? There you go.
Paper towel and both.
Okay, yep.
No, I'm going to be picking through them and getting me some roasted pumpkin seeds shortly. If y'all have some ideas on different things, I usually just use some Zatarans on mine and put them in the air fryer. They're good. Kaitlyn, what do you want to do?
I thought that was hers.
It don't matter.
No,
We're going to put
There was a lady at our church that made some of the best pumpkin cheesecake Kaitlyn had ever had.
Quite a few times.
She wants some pumpkin cheesecake, but she passed away before we were able to get her recipe.
Well, if you look through my cookbooks, you might find a recipe.
Oh, let's see if this stuff
Yeah, Grandma does have a lot of cookbooks.
True. And I think MawMaw wanted some. She's going to be making some stuff. What are you making, MawMaw, with yours?
I'm not sure. I'm not a big pumpkin eater, so I will.
I don't even eat anything that has pumpkin in it.
We'll have to see what we do. I guess if you add enough sugar, anything's good.
That's right.
All that. Use pumpkins interchangeably with sweet potato. That's it.
If you get to the bottom of the
Same
same
kind of different.
Right.
Use the
Some kind of spices
and stuff. Yeah. So. And I got a lot of cookbooks. I actually have my very first cookbook that a lady back in our home church in Dover, Georgia,
There's
gave
somewhere over
me
here.
probably when
There's
I
like
was
tons of it
probably
over
about 10 years old.
See? You're flinging it everywhere.
And our Talon yesterday had him a big birthday.
How old are you now, Talon?
10.
This is Grayson's little brother. He sings as well. Maybe one of these days we'll let y'all hear him.
That's right. Got to get all these seeds out. Almost.
I remember us doing this out on MawMaw's, Grandma's carport out there. Aunt Vicky and I were just talking about that.
We'll have to see if we can find those pictures and post. That was a long time ago.
It was.
They ought to be over there in that closet in one of them books.
Oh, but they're
Oh, we get
probably
that
on our
this time.
phone somewhere.
Just don't know which book if they are in the book.
No, I don't know which book or which box. They might be in a box.
Actually, when we cut them out, we're not going to have a whole lot of that inside of them.
No, you didn't know.
There's some right
So many seed out, you don't have a whole lot.
I'm going to zoom in. You're probably wondering what that is behind MawMaw right there. Well, Grandma has loved to save the stuff the kids have made her throughout the years. And those things are different plates that when we've gotten together, they have made. Look at that one that someone drew with a little bow on the side of her head.
Styrofoam plates, but all the
And they get together.
Love doing them.
little girls.
And they were little girls. They made them. And if you look at Grandma's refrigerator, there's stuff from when Travis, and he's in his 40s now, made when he was a little boy. So lots of memories all around surrounding us.
There's a ink pen.
Somebody just threw guts at
That would be
me.
Caitlyn.
All of that to look at. That's
Throw
why it's
up the
all
thing
over
under
there.
there.
Let me turn this around, Grandma, so you can talk.
As long as I was living by myself, that's why all those pictures are on the wall. I could look at them at night
Where we're at.
and think of my grandchildren.
You were surrounded with love, wasn't you? We have pictures everywhere. Every Christmas card that someone sent, everything, huh?
Because me and Lynn are about
You got anything you want to tell them today?
I hope everybody's having a good day and don't ever forget that whatever comes, God loves you.
Got it?
You're going to have to say that again, Grandma.
Or great-grandchildren that Grandma thought couldn't do nothing. They're doing pretty good.
They are. They're scraping them pumpkins.
Grandchildren do a lot.
They have grown
I
now.
know they're smart, but I didn't know they knew how to cut pumpkin.
They've only got like, what, 16, 18 years between Anna and Kaitlyn?
They all have talent. They all have talent.
Caitlyn, did you get tired of scraping and give it to MawMaw?
We got it, haven't we? Teamwork.
She got most of the guts out, but...
It's the hard
If
scraping.
you do it too high, you won't be able to.
Alright, let's see where you are,
I'm
Hannah.
sorry, you're right. It's
Let's
your
see the
pumpkin,
bottom.
you do it.
Now let me see the inside of it. There we go. Here's all of the guts. Alright, it looks
All
like
right,
Anna's
Caitlyn.
gotten hers done first.
That's why I have
Drew all of this, and this was supposed to.
Gratitude.
Alright, let's see Anna's.
All right, Caitlin, you ready to draw?
Alright, let's see Caitlin's progress over here.
Where's my phone?
I think they finally got all their stuff cut out. Or scraped out, rather.
Possibly. Or did I see some
Which
more?
one you drawing, Caitlyn?
We don't know yet.
Just a plain one? You and MawMaw just coming up with your own personal design, huh?
Let's see. Hang on, Caitlin.
Let's see Talon's.
That wall right down there.
Some salty.
I'm gonna be drawing that.
Oh, all right, man. It's gonna look awesome. Let's see what you've drawn so far in pencil. It's upside down for them, but we'll get the picture. Anna did the nose. She's letting her boyfriend do the eyes, but she's supervising very closely.
Yeah, I got terracotta.
Yeah, I think they're still.
Battery candles that sit down in them.
I did it like that.
Here's Caitlin, but she says she wants to keep her
You have
pumpkin
to
a
carve.
secret till the
You have to
end,
go
so I can't
right.
let y'all
You
see
see all
the
that? Don't carve it. You see those little lines I've traced
See what
there?
she's actually
That
doing.
carve all the way down here, and then carve that, and then go up, and I'll tell you if you're doing it right. Because then you see those little
I'll
marks?
go all the way down and then around.
Yeah.
And then all the way back up right here.
Checking to see if I'm giving a
Only
sneak peek.
these,
Yeah.
just not the big ones, except for that one. And
Hold on, I'm gonna pull
Okay.
And you keep the small one and then draw it right next to
Right
it.
there.
Alright, here we go.
now down, and then once you get that part done, then go for the others. Go for the sides when you're done.
Yeah, I'll just decide that now.
I love the intensity that Kaitlyn has.
Who do you think will look the best?
Now I'm getting curious because I see Kaitlyn and MawMaw, they have
Right.
done stuck some chicken wire down in their pumpkin. It looks like they done raided the rooster's pen and got a bath. She's wanting to keep it a secret.
All right, we gotta find
Okay, let me get the camera off of her. Y'all can't see.
We gotta find them.
Alright, let's see how Anna's is progressing.
I got a pen.
Let's
You
see.
got yours upside down now.
Well, I think she was planning on using
Cleaning
her
it.
eyes, but then she made marks on her eyes. So then she used Talon's eyes as her ears. Then Talon used somebody's.
It's his teeth.
It's a surprise.
Yeah, it's his teeth.
Oh, okay, the teeth. Ah, look at there.
You see what y'all? What are y'all doing?
Grandma having to tell Anna where she's leaving pumpkin, huh?
It'll be fine.
Well, Grandma, have you enjoyed watching them carve their pumpkins?
I sure have.
Put sheet on without leaves.
Do you have a Sharpie?
I don't have a Sharpie.
We gotta have something ready. Hang on. We're gonna get there.
Hey, Anna, there was one. I really don't know. I really don't know what it is, but it's a monster.
It's a monster. Okay.
I put a little cross at the top.
Oh, okay.
Let me see.
Cause Halloween is based on darkness, and
Uh-huh.
and we need to bring a little light to the darkness.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Got the cross incorporated in. I love it.
All right, Grandma, this is mine. What do you think it looks like?
Well, it don't favor you too much.
No, I don't think so either.
I believe it looks more like a scarecrow.
Yeah, I see that.
Alright,
Good
let's see.
scarecrow.
All right, there's our scarecrow. All right, and Kaitlyn's is still a surprise, so we'll let y'all see it whenever we're finished, when they're finished.
That's good.
All right, Grandma. Can you see my chicken?
What?
I told you this is real life here. We don't plan nothing.
I'll turn it around.
Hold on,
and
no.
tell.
Action. What is it in the movie? Whenever they Cut.
Cut.
All right,
Take
try
two.
again. Take two. Go ahead, Kaitlyn.
All right. Can you see my chicken?
Can I smell chicken?
See her chicken.
I believe I do. Are we gonna have chicken for supper?
Do I smell chicken?
Yep. You see the head, Grandma, and the feet?
Yes,
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 she carved it good, didn't she?
yeah.
Can you see
You
the
did a
chicken
good job.
and the pumpkin?
We got to get some glue and glue the feet on
We
better,
need
but we're
to
good.
make that picture and have it put in the paper.
Paper.
In the paper? Okay. I think it's paper worthy.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, we're good.
There's all three of our pumpkins. Oh, somebody's lost an ear. Oh, that was fun. And Grandma's smelling chicken.
She wishes she was having chicken for
She's
supper.
like, you having chicken for supper?
Yep, I think she might tonight. Okay, let's see how. This
Oh,
is
that was
Talon's
No,
or
that one was Anna's.
Okay, Anna's ear.
Okay,
Okay.
there's Anna's.
Okay, let's not.
There's Kaitlyn's.
Okay.
And there's Talon's.
And Landon.
Oh, and Landon's. I think he did a lot of the cutting. They were a team. Okay, so there's our pumpkins. Let me get down and take a picture of them.